Here is an interesting phrase that we often use when we wish to state how much we value a certain thing. Something useful that you always enjoy putting into practice. The thing you experience whilst using something. You can say that you swear by it. To swear by something means to have full faith and confidence in that particular thing. A cleaning product that you always buy because it performs well might be described as being something you swear by. A special type of ingredient that you add to your cooking might also be described as something you swear by. That particular thing is always used when you are cooking certain types of food. I always add a little paprika to my lasagna. I swear by it. This sentence is showing that that particular thing is something you truly believe in. You have complete confidence in that thing. You swear by it. This particular phrase has religious connections. You are showing that you have complete trust and faith in a particular thing. You are willing to state that that thing is useful. You are willing to swear by it.